yes. Let us say welcome back to regular scheduled programming. You've got your radio locked to the realest music around here. It's your girl Empress Tashai rapping via One Love Radio 106.5. Right about now I got me some Spanner Banner on my turntables. What me say?
You're listening to real music.
This program was brought to you by Toasters Bakery Cafe located at 3777 Main Street, Connecticut. This program was also brought to you by Avery's Jamaican Cuisine and Seafood Restaurant, 1223 Madison Avenue. Greetings and good evening. One Love Radio color you are loud and clear. What a guan, what a guan.
Greetings, Tashai.
Blessed love, blessed love. Is this the great Spanner Banner?
Yes, Empress. Yes.
Oh my goodness. First and foremost, I must applaud you for punctuality. It's right.
You don't know how to say from the long time, you know?
Listen,
Time, you know?
oh my goodness, I had never thought this would have happened today, this evening. This is basically history, because usually sometimes people, when artists call a few minutes later, you are on point, on target, and I love it. How are you this evening, my brother?
Yeah, man, that's why I saw a band name, you know, a band name On Point Band.
Real? There you go. There you go. I love it. So tell me, Spanner Banner, how are you this evening, my brother? How is it going?
Yes, I'm good, you know. Thanks for life, you know. So glad to be here, you know, glad to be talking with you.
Yes, it's a pleasure. It's an honor. Well, Spanner Banner, the name Spanner Banner is a household name. You have been, you know, you've been actually on everybody radio station, in everybody CD player. How does it feel to be an international reggae artist, my brother?
Well, we have to give thanks, you know, because I know that, I mean, our forefathers, you know, do a great job to bring us up to this level where we can be who we want to be in life, you know.
True,
so
true.
It's an honor, you know.
Definitely.
I'm very grateful.
Definitely. Well, Spanner Banner, right now I have a song on my title, on my turntable right about now. I'm going to turn it up a notch for the people then. And then we'll come back with the reasoning. What you say about that, my brethren?
Yes, sir.
Alright! His name is Spanner Banner. And if you didn't know that familiar right now, big tune in the earth. If you're listening from near and afar, large up yourself. Sharon, 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 when I love you with all my heart, girl, it's been so long. My love for you is so strong. I just can't understand, why did you do me wrong, boy? Girl, please change my mind. Yes, my brethren, Spanner Banner. You want to give me a little feedback on how you came about writing this one?
You know, sir, I was driving in my van one day, you know, and, you know, I was playing the rhythm, see, and, you know, the inspiration just came to me because of certain experience that, you know, I have in my life, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of times, you know, you might use to sing a song and you don't really call the person name that you actually have the experiences.
Yes.
You just put in another person's name, you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
But, you know, it was that vibe, you know, I was driving in my car and just reflecting, you know.
Yes. I realize that you sing a lot and you represent for the females a lot. I love the way you know you sing and a lot of your song you dedicate to the empresses them, the sister in them. Right now I have a song titled Sweet Love on my turntable. I'm gonna turn it up a notch and then we'll come back. Got them tune have to get big play out there, right?
See.
Right now I got the artist live on the phone line. The international, the gigantic Spanner Banner. And as we do it like this, brand new music.
Who the girl cry for Spanner? Come on.
Banner Brothers. This one is entitled Crying Out for More.
Love got me crying out for more.
Spanner Banner, describe your music to an audience who have never seen or heard in performance before? Like some youths who just come up right now and need to know who Spanabana is. How would you describe your music to them?
Yeah, well, it's my music now. My songs are mostly about love, you know, and life.
See.
So I'm saying it's like motivational, you know, whether it's love songs or culture, reality songs, you know. It's like, I would say I'm a reggae cool. You see me?
See.
Yeah.
So how did the collaboration and this one came up with you and your brother? Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, actually, you know, we're at the studio, me and Nata and Tashai, and which was writing a song to do stuff. And me and Nata hear the rhythm, and we just start the vibe, and we just write, we do the song, you know, write that on it, and that's how we get done, you know.
Seeing. So Spanabana, I know that your family is actually musical orientated. You don't know the great you know Pliers from Shaka Demus and Pliers, also the great Richie Spice. You know, so you're family oriented. Was it easy for you to, you know, is it a unit or a union, or does it feel like, does it ever feel like a competition for you, being a part of a family where, you know, you have brothers that shine out there in the music, or does it encourages you?
You know, so it is a delight. It encourages me to know, so, you know, I mean, you know, my brother Players went out first, and then because he's the one that introduced me to the first producer.
See.
That's how it was. And I came on the TMP for Richie Spice. And the first one we took him to a producer to record.
So it's like a part on the it's like a passing on the baton situation.
Definitely. We don't really see it as competition. We see it as just as a mother and father grow, you know. One supposed to help the other.
See, that is a good lesson. Very good lesson. So Spanabana, right now I'm gonna play another song from the album. Tell me some more about what I want with the album where I come out. Let me turn up that one right now. You got to read a lot to the realest music round here. It's truly Empress Tashai rocking the fire, One Love Radio 106.5. His name is Spanabana, the International.
Come on in my life. Want you to have my baby. Want you to be my wife. So glad that you make that choice. And now you're here with me.
Oh yes.
We were meant to be like the sun and the sea, like paradise. Yeah. Girl, you make me feel so right.
What I say?
Want you forever. Like
Empress Tashai,
paradise.
multi-talented. Empress Tashai, pull up the song there.
Once again from the top to the very last drop. The reggae icon, the reggae international, living legend in the earth, in the reggae music, and we have to give them props when props is due. His name is Spanabana. This one is entitled Like Paradise. Let me turn it up a notch.
So long I've been wanting you to come on in my life. Want you to have my baby. Want you to be my wife. So glad that you make that choice. And now you're here with me. We were meant to be like the sun and the sea, like paradise.
Oh my
Girl,
goodness.
you make me feel so right. Want you forever.
When you play a big tune, you don't play them one time. You will them till you feel them. This one is entitled Like Paradise. His name is Richie Spice. Coming at you live via One Love Radio 106.5.
So long I've been wanting you to come on in my life.
Whoa.
Want you to have my baby. Want you to be my wife. So glad that you make that choice.
Mr. Spanabana, tell me a little bit more about this one. I love this one.
I'm meant to be.
Yeah, man, don't know, this one was done for Shane Brown. See? Yeah, it's a love song, you know, it's like it's dedicated to our talent, so it's one thing.
Seen. So let me ask you, is this on the album that you're promoting now?
No, this
Which one is this? Which one is the? Oh, this is a single that is just eating up the airwaves, like.
Yeah, man, it's a separate thing.
Okay, I love this one.
You're the one of a kind. You're on my love line. You've got a genuine shine. That's so hard to find.
Like paradise.
Girl.
So that's really nice. This is, you see, your music now is soothing, it's soulful, and I can put in a CD for Spanabana and just cruise and listen music. So let me ask you, what has been, or if you have had any challenges in the business of music while coming through?
You know, there's always, you know, challenges in life, you know, but I mean, sometimes we just try to go through and live into, you know, to focus on them, you know what I'm saying? You know, because, you know, in the music business, actually, you have ups and downs.
Sure.
You know, it's like sometimes the things change in the business where sometimes people focus on a different type of music.
So,
you know, but just to stay focused and keep doing what you know you can do. You know, so I don't really, because we always have the challenges where sometimes we don't get enough bass play that we're supposed to get and all of those things. But,
well,
you know, we have to just keep making music.
See, since you touch on that, is there, let me ask you this question then. If you had the opportunity to change anything in the music business, what would it be?
Well, you know, what I'll change is like, for instance, like in Jamaica now, you know, I mean, for the radio announcers to recognize everybody.
Right.
And just find a way to fit in all the artists, you know. Don't forget about the gimmicks, don't forget about Burns here, don't forget about Everton Blender, don't forget about Panabana.
Don't forget about you're right. So basically you're saying don't forget about the core of the music, because all those names that you just called out a while ago is artists who set and pave the way for whoever is coming now to have this opportunity.
Definitely.
You understand?
Definitely. And sometimes you have some young artists who come up who just come in the business and they maybe have 17 or 18 now. They know about these artists and most of they are the ones who set the foundation. You know?
So, you're right.
So it's good to remind the people by playing, you know, if you have a segment to put for an hour or 2 hours, you make sure so you play. Two of the icons.
A variety, you're right. You're right, because this only teaches
that's just
you.
my take.
Well, I love it. Right now, I have the song titled Moving On my turntable. I'm going to turn it up a notch and then we'll come back to reasoning again. We got like 10 more minutes for talk to you another business, so I could go and turn up the tune and make the people them get familiar. Is this Spanabana? This one is entitled Moving On. So when you have icon, you don't go on like say you want to hold back on the man them tune. Play a tune, shoot it to the moon, what me say?
They try to get us down, but we keep moving.
We not stop round here.
Yeah, keep on moving. Just never let us down, so we keep moving on.
It's the fame from Spanabana. This one is entitled Moving On.
No matter what they're thinking,
So all my internet listeners, all my European listeners, all my Jamaican listeners, all my California, my Connecticut listeners, I got the artists live on the phone line right about now. turntables. I happen to have the artist live and direct on my phone lines right about now.
It's burning in my soul. Yeah, I feel the fire and it's burning out of control.
Her name is Michelle.
Michelle, in my head.
Yeah, you want to that me I talk about. No, bust it for me, baby. Please, my artist, drop it for me live.
I feel the fire and it's burning in my soul. Yeah, I feel the fire and it's burning out of control. Yeah,
Michelle,
ringing a bell. It's trouble like fire in hell. You believe it under your spell.
Me say yes, my people, you just get it live and direct from the artist. Live and direct, what me say?
Michelle, in my head and it is ringing.
His name is Banner Banner.
It's a burning fire in hell.
Give him credit what's credit and honor. So let me ask you this, Banner Banner, as a veteran in the business, what inspirational advice you have for the young and upcoming youths them in the business right now?
Well, I feel that now, you know, when you're setting it, you know, you have to have a good foundation in the music because music is forever, you know.
See?
So you have to focus on most of what, yeah, the good music I want to record it is going to be there forever, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you do good music when you have to do music and, you know say, music that you do with soul, you know, that can last, you know what I'm saying? Not something that just comes to and just disappear tomorrow. So
True word.
that is my little, you know, thing for right now. You see?
And that me talk about. So you hear that youth and youth? Write good music, be a good foundation, that it live on and 20 years later like them tune, we can still play them tune. How you feel like? His name is Mr. Spanner Banner. And this one is entitled Michelle. So Mr. Spanner Banner, do you play any instrument?
You know, the only instrument we play right now is I love my voice.
Your vocals.
Your vocals. I mean, you know, for years I love the guitar, but I don't play professionally.
Okay.
I love playing fun at that time for write some songs sometimes, you know.
So do you want to tell me a little bit about your management team that you're working with now?
Yeah, well, just right now I'm working with Jamming Entertainment, right? That is management.
Right.
And Jamming Entertainment also do booking. But also we have Ajang Music.
Right.
Doing booking for us right now.
As well.
And this is one of my latest songs that I have named Love is a Champion. It is produced by Ajang Music.
Okay.
Right? So right now we have that song. We video the song and it's a great video. One of the best directors in Jamaica did the video. And it's going on good. It's been premiered on a lot of stations and you know it's getting great views on YouTube.
Yes.
See? So you can go on YouTube, Spanner Banner. That's P-A-N-N-E. Spanner Banner. You can go to YouTube and check out that video. And give your comments right away.
Definitely.
So right now we're on the management team doing a good work.
Yes.
You know, getting the booking team working on things like this, like getting tours organized right now.
That's very good.
You know, my band, my band, Antoine Band. I was here now for the street, for the road.
Okay.
So it's just more work, you know. We're just doing the work that we're supposed to do.
I love it. I love the vibes. Well, Spanner Banner, let me turn up another song on the turntable for you right now, my brother. And then we'll come back because we have a few more minutes in the studio.
Don't you worry about it. Somebody say
It's this voice of Spanner Banner on my turntable.
to keep me from harm, angels around me.
This one is entitled Angels Around Me.
Angels around me. To keep me from harm.
There's a large of all the management team making this possible. Hey, Tamai, Master Simpson. lot to big music. You have got to read a lot to Empress Music. This is One Love Radio 106.5. I got the artist on the phone line live. His name is Panabana.
Trust in the King, cause he is my everything.
Angels around me.
Around me. Keep me from harm. Pull up the tune. Pull up the tune. Pull up the tune. Pull up the tune. Empress. Shoot it to the live via One Love Radio 106.
Once again from the top to the very last drop. His name is Panabana. This one is entitled Angels Around Me.
Somebody say, put these angels around me to keep me from harm. Angels around me, protect me from my enemies. Angels around me to keep me from harm. Yeah, I'm so glad to be blessed.
Panabana, tell me a little bit about this one. I love this one. This is nice.
Yeah, man, this song is a spiritual song, you know. You know, it's a song to let the people know they're not dying as is there for.
True.
So, you know, this is one song that knows it's a motivational song to carry out through the day. So, you can listen very in the morning, you can listen when you're going to
Oh my God, I love it, I love it.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God, let me turn it up one more time. His name is Panabana. I gotta lift this one from the top to the very last drop. When me a boss big tune, me no itch with it. Me will it until you feel it.
Don't you worry about it.
It's the great Panabana on my turntables right about now. Angels around me
to keep me from harm. Angels around me, protect me from my enemies. Angels around me to keep me from harm. Yeah.
This is a lovely, 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 lovely song.
To be blessed.
So Panabana, we are almost out of time. On top of the hour, so you know I get out of here at 8 o'clock. So at this minute I want you to large up who for large up, you know, bless up who for bless up before we exodus the program.
Yeah, man, we have to big up to management and of Jamden Entertainment. Yeah, big up marketing. Advance,
yeah.
Yeah, man, booking events and everything. Yeah, you can check me out on Twitter. That's Twitter at Panabana. SPANMERBANNA. Check me out on YouTube. You can check me out on Facebook.
Same.
And you don't know. You can Google my management team. You know, and you can look about. You can go on the website panabana.com. You don't know. If you Google Panabana, you can a lot of information there for me right now and where the music is. You know. What's going on with my video and all of that thing. So right now the thing turn up to all level.
The thing turn up low, the thing turn up until it's gonna love the vibe.
You go and check it out. So what else? Big up all the people in Connecticut. Big up all the president, big up all the sisters.
See?
You don't know. Panabana said live and direct with the Empress Tashai. 106.5 FM.
Yes, my brother. I definitely am. I definitely am. Thank you so much for calling in the program. I really love and appreciate it. Thanks, management, for making this happen. I want to say large up to Jamwan Entertainment, large up Susie Q, large up Tamai, large up Marcy Simpson from Ajang International. Bless up yourself and thank you so much for calling in on the program. Love is a gamble, right?
Love is a champion.
Love is a champion, I got it. Thank you so much for calling in.
Bless up.
Yes.
Give me from.
So you heard it? You heard it from the great, the famous Panabana. This one is entitled Angels Around Me. Let me find a new tune there.
I'm so glad to be blessed. I'm so glad to be blessed. I'm so glad to be blessed. They say the journey of 1,000 miles begin with just one step. I've got you.
One love, really talk to Empress loud and clear. What a guan, good evening. One Love Radio talk to Empress alive.
Keep the fire burning, solid as a rock, never, never stop, no. I pay my dues to make it, solid as a rock, never, never stop, no. Keep the fire burning, solid as a rock, never, never stop, no. Pay my dues to make it. I know that I can make it, I can make it, oh yeah. Cause I know that I am strong. I have no need to fake it, oh no, cause I know that I belong. Solid as a rock, never, never stop, no. Keep the fire burning, solid as a rock, never, never stop, no. I pay my dues to make it, solid as a rock, never, never stop, no. Keep the fire burning, solid as a rock, I never, never stop, no. Pay my dues to make it. Give thanks for what I've got, yeah. Only the righteous man shall stand on. I won't let greediness partake.
It's a couple minutes after 8 o'clock. Coming up next should be Major Music. Still searching for that song.
Solid as a rock, never, never stop, no. Keep the fire burning, solid as a rock, never, never stop.
You just heard it from the awesome Spanavana.
Make it solid as a rock, never, never stop, no. Keep the fire burning.
It has been such a pleasure hanging and chilling out with you guys today. You know I do this each and every week. Have a special artist. So it's a large up to all management for making these interviews happen. So I say big respect to One Love Radio for the platform. And I gotta say thank you so much, my listeners, for listening to all the interviews that I do when I come on. So if you have to miss the interview, you can catch it on YouTube, maybe by tomorrow or the day after. But I will be posting it up there, so the interview will be available on YouTube. Like my rest of video that is up there. Do check me out at DJ Empress on Facebook, Real Music on Facebook. Follow me at DJ Empress 1 on Twitter. Do remember to go on YouTube and check out my brand new video up there, uploaded. Hey, man. It's the sounds of Spanavana.